How to make money on Upwork, a step-by-step guide. Upwork is a popular freelancing platform that connects clients with freelancers across various fields. This guide will provide you with an in-depth look at how to make money on Upwork, from setting up your profile to landing your first job. Step 1. Create an account. Number 1. Sign up. Go to Upwork.com and click on Sign Up. You can register using your email, Google account, and Apple ID. Number 2. Choose your role. Select Freelancer when prompted. Number 3. Complete your profile. While completing your profile, there are 5 tips that helps you show up yourself more academic and professional freelancer. Profile picture. Use a professional photo of your own. Title. Choose a clear and concise title that reflects your skills. For example, graphic designer or content writer. Overview. Write a compelling summary of your skills and experience. Include specific services you offer. Skills. Add relevant skills to increase your visibility in search results. Hourly rate. Set a competitive rate based on your experience and the market. Step 2. Build your portfolio. Number 1. Showcase your work. Upload samples of your previous work. This could include designs, writing excerpts, or project summaries. Number 2. Case studies. If possible, include detailed case studies that highlight your problem-solving skills and results. Step 3. Find jobs. Number 1. Search for jobs. Use the search bar to find jobs that meet your skills. Filter results by category, budget, and experience level. Number 2. Set job alerts. Create alerts for specific keywords to be notified of new job postings.